Hi, fifth grade, and welcome to becoming a Passover expert. I know and I thank you all for picking lots of questions that you want to explore from the list below. I've highlighted all the questions that you in the class are interested in exploring. The ones in black were ones that you did not pick. No fifth grader picked those questions. So we'll be exploring the questions in the red. And I think that instead of giving everyone individual questions, what I'd like to do, with your permission, is to go through all the questions together with some worksheets to help you go and do that. So our first question is, why 4 cups of wine on Seder night and not 3 cups or 5 cups? So I want you to begin with your worksheet by making a guess. Give yourself write a hypothesis in the space that's been provided on your worksheet. I think we drink 4 cups of wine on Seder night because. Turn me back on again when you finish. Welcome back, everyone. The first question that I want you to answer with your worksheet is, of all possible numbers from 1 to 10, there's actually one number that finds itself in the Haggadah more than any other number. What number is that? Write it in the space that is still blank. All right, so one of the reasons why we might have actually 4 cups of wine is it fits the model. If we've got 4 questions and we've got 4 children that we talk about, then 4 cups of wine seem to fit as well. However, there's a little bit more. So check out what Hashem says to Moshe and the Jewish people right in Egypt. And what I want you to notice is, or I want to ask you, do you notice 4 of anything? So here it is. This is what Hashem says to Moshe and the Israelite people. I promise to bring you out from your hard work. I promise to save you from your work. I promise to give you a second chance. I promise to take you to be my people. Now, just close your eyes for a second and let me read it again and see if you can figure out what thing repeats itself 4 times. So close your eyes and listen again. I promise to bring you out from your hard work. I promise to save you from your hard work. I promise to give you a second chance. I promise to take you to be my people. Did you notice it now? Circle the 4 similar things on your worksheet. And there it is right there. 4 times it says, I promise to. Now let's look at these promises in Hebrew, what the words are. Vehotzeti, vehitzalti, vega'alti, vilakachti. 3 different promises. I'll take you out, I'll save you, I'll give you a second chance, and I will take you as my people. Let's say these words together. Repeat after me. Vehotzeti, vehitzalti, vega'alti, ולקחתי. One more time. והוצאתי, והצלתי, וגאלתי, ולקחתי. All right. So why is the connection between 4 promises and 4 cups of wine? What's the connection between a cup of wine or grape juice and a promise? You have a fill out, try to write the following sentence. Wine or grape juice is like a promise because. When you finish that, please share some of your answers. And for a final activity, please make up a cheer using all 4 promises. Maybe you can work in groups of 3 to use those words vehotzeti, vehitzalti, vega'alti, velakachti, vehotzeti, vehitzalti, vega'alti, velakachti. And that's it. So compare your guess with your answers. What did you think the answer was for why we have 4 cups of wine? But as an expert, I now know that those 4 cups of wine each link themselves with another promise. So as we're going out through our Seder and we're lifting up our wine, we're saying, this wine is because of a promise that God made to me. This cup of wine is because of a promise that God made to my people. This is a cup of wine is because of a promise that God made to the Israelites. This is a cup of wine that God spoke and promised a people that were slaves and promised them a new future, a new reality. Thank you.